we're going to cover some unique exotic birds that are very rare, are found in very specific areas from almost all around the world, and come in all colors and sizes. But some of these species are very exquisite, rare, and unique. These are referred to as exotic birds. Here are the 10 most beautiful exotic birds in the world. Bali bird of paradise. This beautiful exotic bird is a member of the Paradiseical family. It's mostly found in Guinea and New Australia, where it feeds on insects and fruits. It can grow to be up to 10 to 17 inches in length and has a crow-like body shape with strong feet and a bill. Females are colored drab buff to black with patterning and usually lay 2 to 3 days with an incubation period of 17 to 21 days. Great blue turaco. Great blue turaco is the largest species of turaco family. They are endemic to the equatorial Africa from Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Ivory Coast to Nigeria, Central African Republic, and Cameroon. Most of them are medium-sized birds ranging from 20 to 30 inches. They have a variety of colors from blue, green to purple. They have red feathers or bright red markings around the eye and crest of the head. They feed on shoots, buds, and leaves. Females typically lay 2 eggs and parents incubate them for about a month. Vulturine guinea fowl. Vulturine guinea fowl is also known as the royal guinea fowl. They can range anywhere from 20 to 24 inches in length. They are found mostly in areas like Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, and Somalia. When it comes to size, they have a longer neck, legs, and tail as compared to other guinea fowls. Both sexes are similar in plumage, but females are smaller than males. Their diet consists of plants such as seeds, leaves, berries, fruits, roots, bulbs, green buds, and shoots. Their breeding season starts in June and extends until December and January. During this time, the female can lay up to 15 to 16 eggs. Siamese fireback. Siamese fireback is also known as Diard's fireback. They're mostly seen in Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Siamese fireback is the national bird of Thailand. They can grow up to 31.40 inches, and they have crest feathers, reddish-brown iris, long, curved blackish tail. Breeding season starts in May and continues until July. The female can lay up to 5 to 6 eggs, which she incubates for 24 to 25 days. Their diet includes fruits, invertebrates, and worms. Black-napped monarch. Black-napped monarch is also known as black-naped blue flycatcher. They're sexually dimorphic, with the male having a distinctive black patch on the back of the head and a narrow black half collar, while the females are duller with olive brown wings and lacking the black markings on the head. They're mostly found in southern and southeastern Asia. They can grow up to 6 to 7 inches. They have narrow wings and a distinct long forked tail. They feed on small butterflies, moths, grasshoppers, small beetles, and bugs. The breeding season is from March to September. Great crested grebe. Great crested grebe is also known as the Podiceps cristatus and water birds. They can also grow up to 17.5 to 20 inches. They feed on small fish and aquatic invertebrates and are excellent swimmers and divers themselves. They can live up to 10 to 15 years. They have white, brown, and orange crest feathers on the head, along with a long and sharp pink bill. Red-knobbed hornbill. Red-knobbed hornbill, also known as Sulawesi wrinkled hornbill, are almost found entirely on the island of Sulawesi. They can grow up to 27.15 to 31.5 inches and have a high and wrinkled red casque. Necks are rufous and reddish in males, whereas the females possess a black face, yellow casque, and brownish eyes. They feed on various fruits as a major part of the diet and small invertebrates as a small part of the diet. Their breeding season is from December to January. Lady Amherst pheasant. Lady Amherst pheasant, also known as ruffed pheasants, are mostly seen in China, Burma, and Tibet. They can grow up to 40 to 48 inches. They feed on spiders, bamboo sprouts, and small coleopterans. Along with their bright yellow plumage, they have a long 31-inch beautiful tail and an unmistakable black and silver head. They have a cape that can be raised on display. This species is closely related to the golden pheasant, but has a yellow eye and bluish-green bare skin around it. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle is also known as the American eagle. They are among the most powerful eagles and can grow up to 3 to 4 inches. Females of the species can weigh up to twice their mates. They have white stomach, lighter gray-colored heads, and slate gray feathers on their backs and wings. Their legs are covered in white feathers, with black stripes down to the feet. Harpies have a crown of irregular feathers atop their heads, giving them a disheveled appearance. They are mostly found in southern Mexico through Central and South America, down to northern Argentina. They feed on mammals like sloth and monkey, whereas their breeding season is between April to May. Parrot. Pesquet's parrot, also known as the vulturine parrot, is the first spot on this list. The bird can grow up to 18 inches, weighing 680 to 800 grams. Females are mostly smaller than males. Their plumage is black with grayish scaling to the chest and a red belly. They have a featherless gray face, whereas the head is dark. The adult male has a red spot behind the eye, which is absent in the adult females. Their diet mostly includes figs, mangoes, and other softer fruits. They're mostly seen in the rainforests of New Guinea and Brazil. Breeding season occurs from February to April.